Hello everyone, welcome to MSApti webcast. In this video, we're going to see the steps on how to set up a litigation hold on a mailbox in Exchange Online. When an organization is in litigation hold process, its employees can't delete information related to litigation. The information can be paper records or electronic records, including Microsoft Exchange Online emails. Microsoft has a litigation hold capability in Exchange Online to keep users' email data for e-discovery during legal proceedings. Any user mailboxes can be placed on litigation hold in Exchange Online to prevent intentional or unintentional deletion of data from their mailboxes. We can place a mailbox on litigation hold to preserve all mailbox content, including deleted items and original versions of modified items. Keep in mind that during litigation hold, the user's archive mailbox is also placed on hold. Deleted and modified items are preserved for a specified period or until you remove the mailbox from litigation hold. To set up a litigation hold on a mailbox, we need to access and log into the Exchange Admin Center. Type URL https://admin.exchange.microsoft.com and press Enter key in your web browser to access Exchange Admin Center. In the Exchange Admin Center, click on Mailboxes. From the list of user mailboxes, select the mailbox that you want to put under litigation hold. In this video, we will put mailbox of a user Sophie Turner on litigation hold. Click on User Mailbox Sophie Turner. On Mailbox tab, under More Actions, click on Manage Litigation Hold link. Turn on Litigation Hold. As you can see, it is turned off right now. So let's turn it on. Now we can define hold duration in days, or we can leave the blank for no limit. This box is used to specify how long mailbox items are held when the mailbox is placed on litigation hold. The duration is calculated from the date a mailbox item is received or created. If we leave this box blank, items are held indefinitely or until the hold is removed. We can use days value to specify the duration. Here I'm going to type 21 days. Next, in this box, type the note to inform the user that their mailbox is on litigation hold. The note will appear on the File tab in Outlook. We can provide the website URL to user for more information about the litigation hold. And that you can provide here. Click Save on the litigation hold page to save the settings. We can see a message that the hold setting may take up to 60 minutes to take effect. Litigation hold updated. Let's again click on Manage Litigation Hold, and this time we can see it is currently turned on. And under Date Hold Created, the date where we have put this mailbox on litigation hold is mentioned. Fine. Let me close this window and close this window as well. So this is how we can put user mailbox on a litigation hold using Exchange Admin Center. That concludes the video on how to set up litigation hold on a mailbox using Exchange Admin Center. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.